Hello, my name is Prash Patil, and this video is about the Lewis dot structure in the covalent molecule and polyatomic covalent ions. First, we have C2 and H6. A good method is to separate these molecules to make it easier for ourselves. C stands for carbon, and H stands for hydrogen. Now we see that carbon has 4 valence electrons, and hydrogen has 1 valence electron. Since carbon has 4 valence electrons, you multiply it by 2, giving you 8 valence electrons. For hydrogen, you do the same thing and getting 6 valence electrons in total. After simplifying it for yourself, you add 6 and 8 to give you 14 valence electrons altogether. Divide 14 by 2, and that gives you 7 pairs altogether. If you look at the carbon molecule, it has no unshared pairs. It only has 1 dot on each side. Hydrogen is the same, with 0 unshared pairs. Altogether, it's 0. You subtract the pairs from the unshared pairs, giving us 7 bonds, because 7 minus 0 equals 7. And now we draw the structure. First, we set both of the carbon molecules on the paper. As you can see, we already formed 1 pair. Now all we have to do is fill in the empty spaces with the hydrogen molecules, and then we form bonds. We have 7 bonds in total. We can go around the diagram and check if we're right. And now it's time for the polyatomic covalent ion. You have iodine and oxygen to the 3rd power. I stands for iodine, and it has 7 valence electrons, and since -1 is written, we have to multiply 7 by 1, giving us 7 valence electrons again. Now we look at oxygen that has 6 valence electrons, which we multiply by the 3 oxygen molecules, in turn giving us 18 valence electrons in total. Once you add these two together, you should have 25 valence electrons in total. Since 25 is an odd number, you have to follow the rule of the octet and add 1, which gives us 26 total, 13 pairs with 5 unshared pairs. And now we draw the diagram. Iodine is in the middle because it has the least amount of valence electrons. All we do now is fill in the empty spaces like we did in the other diagram and draw the dots. But before we do anything else, we have to add the other electron to satisfy the rule. Once we do that, we draw the brackets, and there you have it.